Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brother and sister, welcome back in the Surah Yeasin learning video series. Today we will learn the ayah number 7 and today is the third class of Surah Yeasin memorizing. So if you have not seen the previous video, as it is a series of lessons, so we need to see the previous videos as well. So if you want to see the previous video, please click on the I button on the top right corner of the screens. You will get the link of the previous videos. Also, you will get the link of the previous videos in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get into today's lesson. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم لقد حق القول على أكثرهم لقد حق القول على أكثرهم لقد حق القول على أكثرهم. Now friends, it's your turn to read after me. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم. Friends, please focus on one thing, that here we have three qaf one by one. See, first one is qaf, here it is also a qaf, and this one is also a qaf. So we need to pronounce the qaf correctly, not qaf, it should be qaf. Okay. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم. Okay. فهم لا يؤمنون لا يؤمنون فهم لا يؤمنون Friends, now it's your turn to read after me. فهم لا يؤمنون فهم لا يؤمنون فهم لا يؤمنون. So friends, now we will read the full ayah together, but before that I want to tell you one thing. So as that is a big ayah, so if you cannot hold your breath till the end of the ayah, you can stop in between. Like I first stop right here, as there is no stopping point, but I made a stopping point right here, so I can stop here. But in that case, the rule is, if you stop in a place where there is no stopping point, for after that you have to go a little bit back. I mean, you have to start reading from a little bit back. So what I will do, I will read from here to here up to this, and I will make a stopping point here, as there can be some person that who will not be able to read the whole ayah in one single breath. So I will make a stopping point right here, and after that I will go a little bit back and I will start reading from him. Okay, so I will first stop at أكثرهم, then I will start again from him to the end. Okay, so do not be confused. Okay, the rule is, if we have to stop in between an ayah where there is no stopping point, we have to go a little bit back and we have to start reading from a little bit back. Okay, so I will start reading now. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. So friends, now it's your turn to follow after me. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. So dear brother and sister, now I will read the whole ayah together. You will follow me after I finish the full ayah. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. And if you can read the full ayah in one single breath, then do it like this. You do not have to stop anywhere. لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون. So friends, now I will read the meaning of the ayah. That means, surely because of their persistent disbelief and hatred, the word decree has been proved against most of them, that they will not believe. I am saying it again. Surely because of their persistent and disbelief and hatred, surely because of their persistent disbelief and hatred, the word decree has been proved against most of them, that they will not believe. So friends, this is the end of today's class. If you think this video is helpful, please share this video with your friends and families, and please subscribe to my channel if you think this is a good channel, and please give me a like and share your thoughts on the comment below so that I can understand what you are thinking. So inshallah ta'ala, we will see you in the next class soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and stay safe and be happy.